Samsung is back, and it's raising the stakes higher than ever. The Galaxy S26 Ultra isn't just another flagship, it's shaping up to be one of the most complete and refined smartphones we've ever seen. With striking design upgrades, cutting-edge performance, and smarter software, this device feels less like an update and more like a statement from Samsung. Let's start with the design, because it's a showstopper. The S26 Ultra arrives in 6 stunning colors: ice blue, titanium gray, mint green, pearl white, phantom black, and the ultra-premium champagne gold. Each finish has been carefully crafted to look both modern and timeless, perfectly matching the high-end feel of the Ultra series. The camera housing blends seamlessly into the rear panel, while the minimalist matte finish exudes class. Visually, Samsung nailed it. Flip it around and you're greeted by a flat 6.8 or 6.9-inch AMOLED display with razor-thin bezels, delivering an immersive edge-to-edge experience. Yet it still packs a 5,000 mAh battery. Charging speeds are also set for a big leap forward, with leaks hinting at significantly faster wired charging that could finally match industry leaders. Under the hood, the S26 Ultra is an absolute powerhouse. It's driven by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 Elite 2, promising huge jumps in performance, efficiency, and AI capability. From intense gaming to editing 8K videos, this chip is built to handle it all with ease. The Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra is reportedly growing in size compared to its predecessor, the S25 Ultra. While earlier leaks hinted at a slight increase, we now have a side-by-side visual that gives us the clearest idea yet of this subtle change. It's the kind of difference you might not notice unless you see both phones right next to each other. The Galaxy S25 Ultra features a 6.86-inch display, and according to leaks, the S26 Ultra may bump that up to 6.89 inches. It's a minimal increase on paper, and thanks to Samsung's advancements in display assembly technology, the overall body might not grow significantly. The visual suggests a slight increase in height, along with a barely wider frame. While the height difference is noticeable in the image, the increased width only becomes clear when one silhouette is overlaid on the other using different colors. For reference, the Galaxy S25 Ultra stands at 162.8 mm tall and 77.6 mm wide. Exact measurements for the S26 Ultra haven't surfaced yet, but the leaked mock-up indicates it will be marginally taller and wider than before. Despite the larger display, the overall form factor might remain quite similar. That's largely due to Samsung's newer display integration, as seen in the Galaxy Z Flip 7, which combines waterproofing within the display panel and reduces bezel thickness. If this same tech makes its way to the Galaxy S26 Ultra, users could get a slightly larger screen without a noticeably bulkier design. In short, while the Galaxy S26 Ultra may not look drastically different at first glance, the changes might be felt more in hand than seen with the eyes. This new render is based on early size expectations, and with the launch still about 6 months away, we could be just a couple of months out from seeing the first official renders and teasers of Samsung's next big thing.